Whenever you make tea, strain the water after that and keep it as fertilizer. And also, friends, you can make easily homemade fertilizer from your kitchen. Now, I strain this tea dust from the teapot and now I'm going to use it in my plants. What you got to do is collect all the tea leaves, use tea leaves and dry them out in the sun. Gather them all and dry them out in the sun. Keep it in the sun and let it get dry. And after that you can use it on your plants directly, especially for the rose plants or your house plants, especially ornamental plants. So dry them out first and for 2 days leave it for about 24 hours to 48 hours and let them to dry completely. The water should go away. Directly use this. Sometimes there will be fungi that is developing in the tea and that will be bad for the plant. So completely dry this out in the hot sun. And after that you can use it. So let's keep it in the hot sun maximum 24 to 48 hours. After that you can use it on your plants. This is a real great booster for your plants, especially for flowering plants and also house plants. So this is how you make it. You can see it's now wet, so I'm going to leave it in the sun and after that I will show you how I'm going to use it on my plants. Now these tea leaves are ready to use. They are dried and usable. Put them directly in the soil of your plant. Dried tea leaves powder are a great fertilizer for the rose plant. So rose plant growth will be enhanced once you put the dried tea leaves powder. So this is after 48 hours of drying it out in the hot sun. Adding it to my rose plant, not very much but a little bit of it. So this is my rose plant. Also adding to my orchid plant. So after that you got to cover it with some soil. So dried tea leaves are a great fertilizer for your green foliage. Not only that, you can use them on flowering plants because these are high in nitrogen, and also there are many benefits of dried tea leaves. So dry them out in the sun and use them in your plants. So that is really very helpful for the plant growth, especially for the green plants. For your house plants will love it. Once you use them, you will start using these dried tea leaves and you will never throw them out.